What's up guys? Today we're going to do part 2 of making a sticker blind bag. So where I left off, we just finished making the stickers, so let's make the outside for it. So first we're going to get a piece of paper, some scissors, and let's get started. First you're going to cut the bag to your preferred size, like if your stickers are big, make the bag big. If your stickers are small, make the bag small. So it took me a long time to get the right size, but eventually you'll get it. Next, this is optional, you can make a small hole and that'll be your peephole, like a sneak peek. And remember, this is optional. Cut out the hole, you put some tape on it from the back side, not from the front side, or else you'll see the pen. Flip it over and it'll be really sticky. Make sure you don't get anything stuck to it, okay? And you can write this is a sneak peek or peephole. You can do whatever you want, guys. This is optional, but I just did it to make it a little more fancy. So after you're done, make sure you put some tape on the top so nothing gets stuck to it. Yep, just like that. Next, what we're going to do is you have to title your blind bag or else they won't know what it is. They'll just be like, oh, they just gave me some bag. So you gotta make a nice title for them, and the more fancy it is or artsy, the more they'll probably like it. I didn't put too much time in it, but I think she'll like it. Cause it's what matters what's on the inside. So you should have one opening to put your stickers in. So I'm just doing just that. And to cover it, I just used some nano tape because the outside was too bulky. And you can see how the peephole works. And make sure you cut some slits on the side so you can open it. And this is the finished product, guys. Like and subscribe if you think she'll like it.